Okay, what I'm going to do here is make some birdseed blocks using some old butter. So what I'm doing is I've taken, these were store-bought blocks. You could use anything as a mold, you know, something from your kitchen. You could use a tin or even like a little saucepan. So I just wash these out and I'll just show you the next step. So I've got the butter on low. You can also use Crisco or some other kind of fat. This is especially good for the winter time for birds. So don't boil it, but just, you know, heat the pot on low and put whatever it is in there that you want to melt, and just let it melt slowly. You don't want it too hot though. So I've taken birdseed and just poured it into the molds, and then we'll just be pouring the melted butter, shortening, or whatever you're using into it. Okay, so I'm just going to pour the butter in. I might only have enough to do one. Poured it in. I'm just going to stir it around a bit. See if there's any. Okay, and now you can just put these in the fridge. So the block turns right out very easily, of course, because it's all greased up, and it's ready to put into the bird, the little the hanger, those things I'll show you. So as you can see, it keeps it in a cage, and I just peck through it.